In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the YouTube TV guide to make it easier to find your favorite channels and shows. The YouTube TV guide is located on the left-hand side of the screen or at the top on mobile and displays all the channels included in your subscription. To personalize it, start by logging into your account and opening the guide. You can rearrange the order of channels by clicking and dragging them into your preferred sequence. This helps prioritize the ones you watch most often. If there are channels you don't watch, you can hide them by hovering over the channel name, clicking the three-dot menu icon, and selecting Hide Channel. This declutters your guide for a more streamlined experience. You can also use the search bar to quickly locate specific channels or shows and add them to your favorites for easy access. Additionally, the guide highlights live and upcoming programming, so you can set reminders or record shows using the Cloud DVR feature. These customization options ensure the YouTube TV guide works best for your viewing habits, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to customize the YouTube TV guide, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.